guys, it's me Sniti, your French educator from Master French with Sniti, and today we are going to start with a new video of Apprenons le Français Part 1. So in today's video, we are going to start with the lesson 0, leçon 0. Vous connaissez la France? That means, do you know France? So basically in today's video, we are going to cover the workbook solutions. So let's get started. Here we have is the first question. Relier les colonnes. That means match the columns. Here we have is the first column, that is first part, France. It is the country France. Then we have is le drapeau français, that is the French flag. Next comes a monument of air, that means a iron monument. Then we have is le Louvre, which is a place. Then we have is le 14 juillet, which is 14th of July. And last we have is Notre Dame, which is also a place. Then we have is the second column, in which the first part is a musée. A musée, that means a museum. Next we have is une église, which is a church. A church. Then we have is l'hexagone, which means hexagon. Bleu, blanc et rouge, these are the name of three colors, blue, white and red. Then we have is la tour Eiffel, which is the Eiffel Tower. Then we have is la fête nationale, which is the national festival of France. So first let us start matching them. Here we have is the first part, that is match to l'hexagone, France to l'hexagone. Now you might be thinking why. So as you know that France is often called as l'hexagone, it is a synonym of France due to the shape of the map. Therefore, it will match l'hexagone. Then we have is le drapeau français. It is matched to the name of the three colors of the flag, bleu, blanc et rouge. Then we have is an iron monument, a monument of air, so that is matched with La Tour Eiffel, as it is the only iron monument mentioned in all of the options that we have. Next is Le Louvre, which is a museum. Then we have is Le 14 juillet, that is La Fête Nationale, the national festival of France. Then we have is Notre Dame, which is matched to a church, and that means une église. Une église. So that was for the question number 1. Now let us move on to the question number 2. Here we have is regardez les images et nommez-les. That means see the images and name them. So first we have is a monument that is kind of looking like in pyramid. Well, it is well known, le Musée du Louvre. Le Musée du Louvre. Then we have is what we can see are some currencies. There are some coins, and then we have notes. Well, if we are talking about France, then that would be the French currency, euro. In French, it is called as l'euro. L'euro. Then we have is very well known monument of France, that is the Eiffel Tower, which is La Tour Eiffel. Now let us go on to the next part. Here we have is nommer, that means name them. So this is the third question. The first one in this is a musée of France. That means a museum in France. So you can write both of them. Here we have is le Musée du Louvre, or you can also write le Musée d'Orsay. Then we have is the fromage français, that means two French cheeses. First we have is le camembert, le camembert. Then we have is le gruyère, le gruyère. You can also write le brie or le roquefort. Then we have is la ville capitale de la France. That means the capital city of France. Ville means city. So it is le Paris, that means the Paris. Then we have is the fourth question. Désigner et colorier le drapeau français, in which we need to draw and color the French flag. So here is an image for reference for you guys. So here you can see is what a French flag is. First we have is the blue color, then white and then red. Bleu, blanc et rouge. Now we move on to our next question, that is the fifth question and is also the last question of this video. So here we have is complete avec l'autocollant approprié. That means complete using the appropriate sticker. So at the end of the books the stickers are given and we need to paste them accordingly. First part that we have is L'Arc de Triomphe. So here we have an image that I have pasted here for you. Then next comes is Les Arènes d'Arles. So here we have is the Roman amphitheater. Next we have is the third part, that is Le Château de Versailles. Le Château de Versailles, that means the Palace of Versailles. Then we have is at last l'Hexagone, which means the hexagon. So basically if we are talking about France, then we'll paste the map of France so that it would become l'Hexagone. So that was all for today's video, and here therefore we have covered all the questions of the workbook of lesson 0. And thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to my channel. With that, thanks for watching. Bye bye and have a nice day. Love you guys.